Hello guys, today we are unboxing Zebronics-Transformer gaming keyboard. So as you can see, it's like it has rupee keyboard symbol, USB interface, aluminium body, and it has multicolor LED, and the braided cable both has almost like 1.2 meter length, and breathing LED means that color it will be changing. So we'll just see. So in Amazon it came just like this without any seal or something. So here is our keyboard. So this is a metal thing. So metal plating, this is our LED thing all around. You can see this is white color is LED. Here also whatever you see in white is LED. This is the rupee symbol. Let's keep it on the side. So this is the mouse we have. So it's also, it has a base plate which is metal, and buttons are so good, and build is also premium. We have the specifications are like this. For the gaming mouse, the specification of this. So keyboard functions, and this is how to switch on and off the light, and yeah, dimming the lights, and rupee keyboard and mouse. So let's just flip to the thing into the computer and let's see. So this is our gaming keyboard, which is red right now. You can see how the color is like all the blue, green, red RGB will be coming up. So we have this button which changes the color layout. 1, 2, and the off. 1, 2, and off. Now, so if you want to dim the light, you have to hold this button. Sorry, FN. Yeah, if you press this one, you can see it changes. It's called bleeding LED. Let me show you. So this is the mouse, and you can see the color it's been changing actually. This button you can use it for gaming back and forth. This for reducing the DPI.